Traveling abroad? Don't let your tech ruin your trip. In this video, we'll look at the essential Android settings to change before you fly to save money, preserve your battery, and keep your data secure. Welcome to Flirting with Technology. We distill complex tech into simple life hacks. If you find this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your travel buddies. Your support keeps this channel running. The golden rule for traveling is to build layers of backup. Your phone should be capable of working perfectly even without a reliable cellular signal. We'll cover connectivity, navigation, language tools, and security. Layer 1 is downloading a travel eSIM. This is a digital SIM card that lets you download a mobile data plan over Wi-Fi. Check your phone's compatibility in your settings and install your eSIM before your flight leaves. To avoid massive roaming bills, use this dual SIM configuration. Keep your home SIM active for important banking texts, but ensure mobile data and data roaming are turned off. Enable mobile data and data roaming only on your travel eSIM. If your mobile data fails upon arrival, try this. Ensure your travel eSIM is selected for data. Check if your provider requires roaming to be on, toggle airplane mode for 15 seconds, restart your device, or check your APN settings. Layer 2 is secure navigation. Never rely solely on live cellular networks. Download Google Maps for offline use and save a screenshot of your hotel's name, address, and local phone number as a backup. Layer 3 is mastering offline translation. Download your destination languages in Google Translate. Use text translation for addresses, camera translation for signs and menus, and speech mode for conversations. Layer 4 is locking down data and battery usage. Disable auto updates for apps, restrict photo backups to Wi-Fi only, and turn off unnecessary scanning. Enable Data Saver and carry a power bank for long days. Layer 5 is your security vault. Use a strong lock screen. Enable Find My Device. Avoid checking sensitive banking apps on public Wi-Fi, and carry your own power block to avoid risks from public USB ports. Finally, build an offline folder on your home screen. Include essential apps like Maps, translation tools, and messaging apps. Don't forget to save offline copies of important documents like passports, visas, and insurance. Here is your final pre-flight checklist. Take a screenshot of this list to ensure you have everything configured before heading to the airport. You are now ready for takeoff. Remember, the best travel phone isn't the one that always has a signal. It's the one that still works when there isn't one. Safe travels.